Hey friends, so today we're gonna make a lip balm package to sell, but first let's go back to a video I made 9 years ago making a lip balm.
Hi guys, how are you? So today I'm going to show you how I make my lip balm. And put it in this tiny little
Oof, enough talking. All right, look at the consistency. So it looks like 9 years ago I used the dollar store packaging, and this time around we're using Amazon boards. Who knows, maybe next time we'll be in a factory. Who knows? Look at the consistency of that. I believe I used Vaseline at the time. I don't remember. I'll have to check the description of the video. But today's video we're using shea butter. It's 100% shea butter. This was purchased from Amazon. It's this product of Ghana, and I also did labeling myself using Microcut Maker 3. Essentially, to make this lip balm, I melted the shea butter as you saw earlier, and I added a fraction of the vitamin oil as well. I'll put the measurements down below, and packaged it in these containers purchased from Amazon. It's so much better than what we made 9 years ago, but this one is packaged to sell. I also made another variant, which is a lip balm stick, after my sister actually mentioned that a lot of people do prefer this stick. So I did some combination of strawberry oil and vanilla oil for the nice scented. This is what I use in my lip gloss. Combined it with melted shea butter. I also put the measurement down below and poured it into these balm stick container, which is also purchased from Amazon. If you don't want to buy it in bulk and make yourself, you can purchase it as well from me. Unfortunately, I don't believe we can ship shea butter and cocoa butter things to the United States, like outside of Australia. But for those in Australia, if you would like to support, you can also purchase as well. I thought to show you variations. So this is the one that I popped in the freezer. I'd recommend don't put in the freezer, or don't put in the freezer when it still look warm. I would recommend honestly letting it be room temperature and then put it in the fridge. And if you're packaging it to sell, I'd recommend advising people to make sure that they put it in the fridge, or they don't store it in the car after they're done with their day with them. And that's what I'm gonna put as part of my product as well. So let me know what you think. You know it's done when you can twist it up and it's not breaking apart, literally. I also made a chocolate version using a chocolate syrup that I use in my lip gloss, which will change the name as well, because God moves. So the chocolate version is essentially just adding some of the chocolate syrup, chocolate drop in, mixing with the melted shea butter, and refilling it in the tube and letting it at room temperature, and then put it in the fridge. So I'll show what it looks like as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, comment down below. If you're considering packaging to make your own formula and sell yourself, let me know as well. This is a chocolate version. Let's all help each other and keep each other busy, and I do mine as a devil's workshop. Thanks for watching. Love yourself, love God. Bye. This is also a Dassahly product. It's the chocolate version. Brown. How now? Let me not finish that one because we're not cows. Yeah, look at it. Oh, look at the sun. Oh, the sun is shadowing it. As you can see it. And if you have dry lips, that's actually dry, but on the surface it looks like it's not, or like underneath it is actually dry, this will bring it up because of the shea butter. The shea butter in the lip balms will bring it to the surface, and you start to see it heal. So that little dryness there is the dryness that was underneath. Anyone who study biology, the skin has 3 surfaces. Okay, but yeah, brown.